What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Genesis G80 remote key fob. This Genesis G80 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob, and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this silver button on the side, and then the emergency key will pull out of there like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, we see this notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in the notch like that, make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver, and as I do that, it starts to pop this back cover off. Then once you get it started, you can just pull it the rest of the way off with your hands like that. And now we see our battery right here. What I'm going to do is just use my screwdriver to help carefully push this battery out of that holder. It just slides out of there like that. Once we get our old battery out of there, we'll take our new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up. Go ahead and slide that in its holder. Make sure it's all the way pushed in. And then we can snap the back cover on. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.